Let's start with the belly, and we're just going to cover this oval portion in the center first and then moving on to the other sides. So first I'm giving a slight watery yellow ochre base, not too much water, not too much color. And then now I'm using plain yellow ochre for my darker shades, as I see in the reference, and then I will add a more darker shade, that is dark brown. Though this is just yellow ochre yet going on. Now moving on to a yet darker shade, that is going to be dark brown. Trying to have a smooth coverage as far as possible, but as we are using your watercolors, it does not give a very smooth coverage, and that's how I even like it, having some strokes seen here and there. And I'm using poster white for the highlights, which are going to be slightly yellowish, so I'm going to add chrome yellow on top of my white. Blurring out the rim by adding yellow ochre to the circles, because the circles are turned out bigger than I wanted, so I'm not blurring it more outside, making it larger. I'm trying to blur it inwards, and now I'm dabbing some white during in the center portion to make it more stark white. And now on this right side there is a reflection which is causing that shape, so I did white plus yellow on it.